Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Ross homogenizing mixer. You can see the rotor spinning at high speed in there. It's a 400 series. This is the stator for the unit. Mounts right in there like that. Very uniquely, there are 3 inlets which converge centrally when you come in through the stator. And of course the discharge on the side. Motor is explosion proof. We'll have the full write-up with still pictures for you as well. Running on 223 phase voltage. And we have all kinds of homogenizing mixers, immersible and inline in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website. As you scroll down the menu on the left side of the homepage, click on Mixers and then the subset Homogenizing. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.